so
Good?
much.
Thank you.
Yeah, it was super good.
Cool. You got a smoothie?
Oh yeah.
Yeah. All right, so we are here at Hemingways Nairobi. Check this place out. Come on up here. I like showing you different places. I like showing you that you can work literally from anywhere. And the reason why I like Hemingways, not only is it beautiful, but also they have very strong Wi-Fi. Actually amazing Wi-Fi. It's very tough to get Wi-Fi that's solid in Africa. This is probably the best Wi-Fi that I've experienced. I showed you Cabo Tagu in Greece. Fantastic sushi, service, beautiful pools, beautiful views, but fast Wi-Fi. This place has amazing Wi-Fi. How's the Wi-Fi, Quinn?
Freaking awesome.
Look at this. Let me just show you some more. We got a little wine room if you want to hold a meeting. I'm like pumping them up. I'm hyping them. Check out this. They're not paying me anything. How's it going, Jumbo? Hey, Jumbo. They're not paying me anything. I just want to show you good places because a lot of you guys message me like, where should I stay? Where should I go? Nairobi is amazing. We visited Giraffe Manor. We actually feed the giraffes. We just visited DSWT, which is orphan baby elephants. Some of my group went over to Masamara to visit the tribes. There's so much to do in this world. And just look at the pool. Look at how cool this is. This is one of my pools. We haven't even shot you. I need to take one of my famous pool laptop photos or whatever. But I just want to show you the potential because I get so many messages from people being like, there's no Wi-Fi there. Like, you can't work from there. Yes, you can. Get out and explore. It's a very simple message, but it's a very powerful message, and it's an honest message. This is why I want you to learn. This is why I want you to study, because the world has become an amazing place. We actually are taking like a little plane like that. We're going to the Seychelles in a little bit, and I can't encourage you enough, not just to travel, not just to enjoy luxury like Hemingway's, but to go out there and experience different things. When you meet more people, when you see more cultures, you become more open-minded. I know that there's like this whole isolationist kind of movement going on in the US. I think that's ridiculous. You hurt your education. You don't learn as much as you can. So get out there. On top of that, aside from just the simple message, the stock market is actually open here at 5:30 at night. It is fantastic. So you have all day to go out. Right now, as I'm filming this, the stock market isn't that hot. That makes it even better to go out and explore. Some of you guys are messaging me being like, why aren't you trading that much? You're just going to enjoy the good life and all this stuff. I'll trade when there's a good play. We did a rhino operation to save a rhino down in South Africa a few days ago. We had to do the operation, but it got delayed about an hour and a half because it was too hot out. The stock market was open. I got conflicted because I'm, helping this rhino, standing in front of rhino, and I made the trade in the middle of the bush. Thank you, Suzanne of VetPaw, for letting me use your hotspot. That was a weird trade. So sometimes the stock market and travel conflicts, but when the markets are slow, this is when you should go out and enjoy and study more. Like, I know that the market isn't always going to be like this, and you need to know that too. But when it is a little slower, don't feel bad if you're not trading that much. It's actually amazing. My top students aren't trading as much as they used to. They're being very choosy with the plays, and that gives you a lot more time. So you can study, go hang out with friends, go hang out with family. We actually just had a Thanksgiving dinner here. Kind of have my Karmagawa family here. We're helping charities. We're, not necessarily related by blood, but we're related by passion and wanting to change the world. Check out this. This is my shirt. This is my gear from Karmagawa. This is actually the new stuff. I'll post a link just below. This is going to support charities like VetPaw, which saves these endangered species. 47 is how many schools we have right now. My goal is still to build 1,000+ schools, but it takes a few months. It takes a lot of donations. So proud, as of this moment, when we're filming this, we've donated $4.7 million in the past 3 years. But you can buy this hat, you can buy this shirt. That goes to helping support these charities. And obviously, all of my new DVDs go to charity too. My charity also gets money from my trading profits. So I'm all charity, I'm all education, and I'm all adventure and just, getting out there. That's what I'm all about. And it's good to be real. I know that there's a lot of people who claim to be able to make you rich on the internet. Most of them are just fakes. They haven't done it themselves. They don't have several millionaire students. Their students have like one little screenshot. Look, I'm a millionaire. Show me every trade. Show how much you risked. Show me how much you made. Show me how much you lost. I need to see all the details. Just be skeptical. That's all I ask. It's okay if you're skeptical with me. My first millionaire student actually wrote a blog post that said Timothy Sykes is full of BS. He later gave me a chance. Now he's made over $2 million. This is Michael Good. Now my newest millionaire student, Mark Crook, just passed over $1 million, and he's having babies galore down in Miami. I love it. So this is what I do. This is what I teach, and I'm proud to share this with you and just, show you places like this. I bet most of you guys watching this didn't know that Nairobi, Kenya could look like this, but it does. So expand your mind, get out there, leave a comment just below this video, and also click the link if you want some merch. It's for a good cause, and it's pretty freaking awesome. Hey, Tim Sykes, millionaire mentor and trader. Thank you for watching my videos. I hope that they help you. I want to share everything that I've learned over the years. You can check out more videos right over there, and also click subscribe so that you can watch all of these videos, get that knowledge, and become my next millionaire student.